Hey, Unicorn fam. So, today we are going to be doing a DIY for Valentine's Day. So let's get into the video. I have to make sure my glue gun's hot because we're gonna need it. Let's get into the video. The first thing you want to do is cut out a heart from some cardboard. And I could not find my exact knife to do this, so I ended up using some scissors, and as you can tell, I used my Fabric Fun Box for this. And you want to create a little dot of hot glue on your cardboard. I'm just gonna stick the yarn right there. Just start wrapping. You can do whatever directions you guys want. I'm just trying to cover up what I have not covered yet. This can be a little complicating if you're not used to using yarn. Oh my gosh. This keeps on like... This is a little complicating, but you know what? We are going to deal with it because it's going to like turn out really cute. And yeah, we're going to go ahead. I'm not even going to crisscross it yet. I am going to do the other side first. That way when I crisscross it, it'll look nicer. Struggles. I just got a freaking knot stuck in here. Oh, that was an easy one. Okay, great. If that was not easy, I would have had to stop this video. And then record a whole new part, which is not really fun. Struggles of being a YouTuber. Now we're gonna go across. Just cover up some of the little extra areas. Okay. Like every once in a while I find a spot that I missed and I'm like so irritated with it. Try to cover these up a little bit. Okay, I think by doing that I just ruined it more, but we'll fix this. attempt to fix this because we are creative like that. Okay, there's a little bit mixed in there. So we want to get that covered. That looks pretty good. So that's what it should end up looking like. And then we are going to hot glue the end in place. We're gonna hold it for a second, and I just got hot glue in my hand. I'll hold it down for a second. And then obviously we're gonna cut this, but I don't have a scissors near me. So this is what the DIY looks like when it is done. It is so cozy, it feels like a nice warm pillow. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to become part of the Unicorn fam, turn on post notifications, and as always guys, stay flawless.